every time I come on here. New hair.
I know that you miss me, baby. I can make you wait. And if you're diving like you did, never see the end of the sea. I know that you like it, daddy. You're the boss of me. I know that you.
Hey guys, so today I filmed a video on this hair look. In this video I filmed how I dyed this hair. Who's that? Cadence and Brayden. Y'all messing up my video.
No, you come here.
Okay, if y'all come in here, y'all gotta be quiet.
Okay.
Go close the door. So I showed you guys how I dyed this hair. I am not a professional by any means, so my techniques might not be the most professional or the proper or the right way to do things. But who cares when the results come out looking this good? So I'm gonna show y'all like the bottom of the hair. So yeah. Okay, this. I'm about to kick you out.
No.
The company that sent me the hair that I'm reviewing today is called AIMOONSA. I'm not really sure how to say it. Thank you so much to this company for sending me this hair. This is the hair that I received, so I'm going to show you guys the packaging. So this is what the hair came in. On the back it gives you like instructions on like how to care for your human wig. I know you can't see it, but they give you 8 tips to take care of your wig. And then when you open it up, the wig comes stuffed in tissue paper. It comes with the normal wig netting. They also gave me these lashes, so that's nice. And they also gave me a wig cap, so Cadence, go run and close the door behind y'all. Sorry, that was my nephew, my little brother. But yeah, so it also comes with a wig cap, and they also give you an elastic band. So I was going to do the elastic band method for this wig, and I still may do it, but I haven't done it yet. So yeah, I installed this hair today. I love how this hair looks. Like, I love this color. I'm gonna have to do this color again. Like, I love this color. So as far as the hair goes, this is 24 inches, and this is body wave, and it's their 13x6 transparent lace wig. So yeah, so I just wanted to show y'all my new scalp or whatever. Yeah, overall I like this hair. This hair is pretty nice. It's pretty good quality. The wig is super lightweight, so I'm like perfect, because I was dying for some inches, but I was not trying to have some heavy hair. So this is perfect. I did have to bleach the hair twice to get this hair color. One thing I will say is that the hair is definitely a little bit frizzy. That could just be because I bleached it twice, and with bleaching hair, like, that's just something that naturally happens. But as y'all can see, like, this hair has so many dimensions. Like, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys learned something. I hope that I can help y'all be able to achieve a look similar to this. And if you try out this look, please let me know. Tag me on Instagram if you do this. Tag me, whatever, send it to me. Like, I just want to see y'all recreate this look if you do. And let me go ahead and plug myself in real quick. I do hair, and I do custom units. So if you want a custom unit, I'm gonna leave the information below. I'm also gonna leave my booking information, so if you want to book me to get your hair installed, because girl, I will give you a whole new scalp. But anyways, I'm gonna leave all that down below, so if y'all want to check me out, if y'all want to book me, y'all can. So if y'all don't already, go ahead and follow me on Instagram at KinleyJordan_. Add me on Snapchat at Kinley_Jordan. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. If you're watching this video, please subscribe. Please turn your post notifications on so you don't miss a video, because y'all, I told y'all I was about to be for real and keep them coming. And that's exactly what I'm doing. I'm trying to do once a week. So turn your post notifications on so you don't miss a video. Like this video. Comment on this video. Subscribe. And just do all that good stuff. If you like this hair, let me know. If you don't like this hair, let me know in the comments below, okay? So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, thank you so much. Again, I don't know how to say it, but AIMOONSA, thank you so much for sending me this hair. And if you want to learn how to get these beautiful highlights, then please keep I'm starting with the hair freshly washed because I just bleached the knots. So to start this process, I'm starting off by separating the frontal from the rest of the hair. This is a 13 by 6 lace front wig, so yeah, the frontal part is like 13 by 6, so I'm sectioning that off, and then you're going to see that I section off the back as well. So as I section off the back, I usually kind of separate it between like 3 to 4 tracks because you can see how the tracks are sewn. So I try to do like 3 or 4 tracks in each section. I started off using clips, but then I switched to using rubber bands or like a hair tie because that makes it way easier. I was just being lazy, didn't feel like going to get them, but that makes it a lot easier. Don't use clips. I would definitely recommend using scrunchies. So as far as products, this is my first time using the Clairol Kaleidocolors bleach, but I'm using that, and I'm using 40 volume developer, and then of course you need a mixing bowl. I forgot to mention, but you're also going to need foil because that is like essential if you're trying to create highlights. Like you cannot create highlights without foil. So as far as my technique for where I'm putting the bleach, I'm basically like, I don't really know how to describe it. You can see it better than I can explain it, but basically I'm just kind of alternating where I put the highlights. So as you can see, like on one time I'll do the 2 outside pieces, I'll do bleach, and then the next row I'll do the inside piece with the bleach. And I do the same process in the back, and it's just kind of, you just really pick and choose where you want to put the highlights, but you basically never want to put a bleach piece right on top of another bleach piece. So you just want to try to alternate where you put bleach and where you don't bleach, if that makes sense. You can kind of see it better than I can explain it, but yeah. So this is the hair after the first processing. I shampooed and conditioned it, and I shampooed it with the Shimmer Lights shampoo, and I let it sit for about 30 minutes, and then I conditioned it and let that sit, and I rinsed it out, and I let it dry overnight, and this is what it came out like. So originally I was trying to just bleach it once, but this was cute, but I wanted the highlights to be a little bit more poppin', so I decided to bleach it again. But this is what it looks like after the first time I bleached it. So I sectioned off the hair the exact same way I sectioned it the last time because I'm basically trying to put the highlights in the same spots that I put highlights in last time, There's a few pieces that are lighter than others, so there's some pieces that I didn't re-bleach, but there's other pieces that I did re-bleach. So again, this is where you can just kind of pick and choose where you want highlights to be a little bit more light and a little more dark. So this is the hair freshly washed, again shampooed and conditioned. I shampooed with shimmer lights and I let it sit for 30 minutes. I conditioned it, let it sit, and rinsed it, and this is what it came out like. So as you can see, the highlights are way more popping, so I'm really liking it. But I was trying to decide if I wanted to tone it or not, because it's pretty toned, but you can never tell with wet hair. So I let it sit overnight before deciding if I was going to tone it. And then right here, I'm just going and plucking the hair. But my camera died, so you can't even see, but I was plucking the hair. So it's the next day or whatever, and the hairline is looking all nice because I plucked it last night. So I'm still trying to debate if I was going to tone the hair or not, but I'm just showing y'all all the dimensions that the hair already has before toning it. So toning it is really kind of up to you. You could leave it like this if you want more of like more warmer tones, but I wanted more cooler tones, so I decided to tone it with the Wella T18, and I'm using 20 volume developer, and it's a 2:1 ratio, and I'm mixing that up and I'm taking it to the sink, and I literally just dump it on the hair and just mix it up and just try to get it all over the hair. After I finished saturating the hair in the toner, I let it sit for about 40 minutes. So it's the next day and these are the final results. So I really love how the highlights came out. Toning it, I definitely think made a big difference. I love that it's a little bit more ashy and not more warm. I just think it makes it look a little bit more poppin' and more defined. But it still has some warm tones in there, but I just like how it all mixes together. So now I'm just throwing some curls in the hair and getting ready to style it just so I can put it on my head. But I don't show you how I put it on, but I'm just kind of showing y'all I'm throwing some curls in it. But yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how I got this hair color. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, feel free to just comment or message me or whatever. But yeah, I think I said it earlier, but I do custom units and I do hair. So if you want a custom unit made by me, I'm gonna leave all the information in the description box, and I'm also gonna leave my booking link in the description box as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see y'all in my next video.